Welcome to Wombat Coaching. My name's Neil, and tonight we're going to talk about branding. Your KDP brand, do you have one? What do you currently use? Do you use your name when you publish your book? Do you use a pen name? Or do you use a brand? A brand is something like a business name. And as we all know, you don't have to use your real name when you are publishing a book on KDP. You can use whatever name takes your fancy. You can use a pen name, a made-up name, or you can use a business name or a brand name. And something that ends in books or publishing or something along those lines. It's not a bad idea to do that, so you can take advantage of Author Central. Author Central is a part of Amazon KDP that allows you to set up your brand as a form of marketing. When you go to the KDP Amazon site, you'll see along the top there you have bookshelf, reports, community and marketing. If you click on marketing, you'll be brought to an option where you can choose Author Central on the right hand side there and also choose your marketplace. And at the moment it's set up Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk and etc. There's another 5 countries after that you can choose from. Now, when you set up your Author Central page, this is where you put in your bio about your business, about what you do, about what you're publishing, what sort of books, and you register your brand, and all your books then can be found in this one place. So first of all, you have to add your books to this Author Central, and then it will happen automatically if you use the same brand. Eventually, it'll build up the entire catalogue of your books. As you add more books, the catalogue grows. It also allows you to set up your biography for different languages, for different countries. As I said before, there are a number of different countries where your Author Central page can be viewed. Even the list itself that's provided on the main page is not exhaustive. In Australia, Amazon is amazon.com.au. Even when I visit my books through the Australian website, it still takes me to a Author Central page, which is unique to the Australian market. So I can use that link to share details to the Australian market. So the good thing about the Author Central page is that you can share the unique URL to those locations. So for instance, you can share your US URL to obviously the US, and obviously the UK one you would share with the UK. So as I mentioned before, do you have a brand? Are you considering a brand? It's not a bad idea to come up with a brand that you can share on all your social media. When you are choosing your brand name, you need to check its availability, that it's not being used already by somebody publishing books. For instance, you might be tempted to use your surname. It might be Arthur, so you might come up with Arthur Publishing. And you do a search on Google and you find that's been taken already. It is good practice to come up with a unique business name that you can use to brand your products that you will be selling on Amazon. I'm just going to check on a made-up name that I know will not be taken. I'm going to put in Kangaroo Stew Publishing into Google, and straight away I can see that that name has not been used by any other publisher to publish their books. I wonder why. Now, that's what you need to do. Find something unique, just do a search on Google and see if that name has been taken. If it has not been taken, claim it, but also check on all other social media, because you will need to use the same brand on all those social media accounts. It is good practice to set up a Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, and even TikTok, and have the same brand name across all those platforms. You can build up your followers on those social media pages and share your links to your Author Central page so they can see all your books, not just one. You can even take it a step further and set up a website. There are a number of sites out there which allow you to set up a free website, and you need to take advantage of those sites. A good one is Google Sites. With Google Sites, you can set up a fairly basic website that looks professional that you can use to link back to your Author Central on KDP. And you can put links in there for each country that KDP has an Author Central page. Another way to do this is to use a linking page like Linktree, Hey Link Me, and there are many others out there which you can use. And these link page sites allow you to enter the sites of your Author Central pages. They list all your available sites with headings showing their location. It's an easy way to have a link to all your Author Central pages throughout the world. Now, if you want to take it up a notch, I recommend that you also register for a domain name. A domain name is your brand name with .com on the end. It is a professional way to show that you are a business. It is easy to forward your domain name to any web page or Google sites that you have set up, or even some of the link pages I mentioned. The advantage of having a domain name is that you can also put it in your books. So when customers buy your books, they have access to your website address and they can go looking for further books. As your brand becomes known on Amazon, customers can also search Amazon for your brand and all your books will also appear. It's all about building up your brand. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.